Do you suffer from breathing issues, respiratory problems, from mild to severe chronic lung issues? Are you tired of taking excessive medications, risking allergic reactions, worrying about building up a tolerance, or have side effects like drowsiness and irritability, weight gain, just to name a few? Then you are going to want to take a look at this. The AirPhysio is an all-natural, proven drug-free alternative to effectively help treat breathing problems like COPD, asthma, bronchitis, atelectasis, cystic fibrosis, emphysema, and many other lung problems with mucus buildup. This small handheld device uses oscillating positive expiratory pressure, OPEP, and loosens the bond of the mucus to the airway walls through vibration. The positive pressure helps push the mucus up and out of the body, assisting the body's natural mucus clearing process. The AirPhysio breaks up the mucus and expands the lung capacity, making it easier to breathe. It also prevents pulmonary complications in patients after surgery by facilitating secretion mobilization, preventing atelectasis and increasing lung volume. If you do not have a chronic condition but need to improve breath control or lung capacity, it's perfect for children, adults, elderly, smokers, swimmers and deep sea divers, athletes, singers, and wind instrument musicians. AirPhysio is quick and easy to use. Most people only need to spend about 5 minutes 1 to 3 times per day or as needed. For a limited time, you can purchase your personal AirPhysio for only $59.97, reduced from $99. Or if you order 2, you'll get 1 free, saving even more money. Visit our website to find out more. This amazing deal won't last long, so order yours today and start breathing better, naturally. When you come to the page, you will see our product page. This has been designed to give you easy navigation. At the top of the page, you will find our secure web address. And here you can see AirPhysio with easy zoom to have a good look. AirPhysio. Breathe easier with the all-natural lung cleaning device. With over 2,000 5-star reviews. Currently, we've got a special on, $40 off. Normally $99.97, down to just $59.97, including tax. And your shipping will be calculated at checkout. Choose from one of the 3 options. Buy just 1 and save $40, or buy 2 and get 1 free, or buy 4 and get 2 free. It's easy to add to your cart. Just click the Add to Cart tab. We will run through the checkout procedure in just a moment. Our product is proudly Australian made and it's ready to ship now from the USA, so you get it quick. And remember, it's 100% drug-free, an all-natural device. There's a variety of images here that you can enlarge to see more information, and a description of all the features and benefits of the device to help clean your lungs. If you scroll further down, you can read the reviews of our satisfied customers. There's thousands of reviews. I also recommend you watch this video on John's testimony on how AirPhysio has improved his life. Down below the video, you will find a list of different conditions that AirPhysio is good for, with an explanation of how it works and who can benefit from this device. There's also a handy comparison chart showing the different types of our AirPhysio product to ensure you get the correct device for you, normal, sports, or children. Just click down here to learn more. You can order a variety of our products here at the bottom of the page. When you're ready to purchase, just click Add to Cart. Then View Cart. Select the number of AirPhysio devices you want. Your pricing is now shown over here. As you see, I'm in Australia. You're obviously in America. When you're ready to purchase, just click Proceed to Checkout. And if your page needs to refresh at any point, just back page and try again. Now on this page, you'll need to add your email address. Your name goes in here along with your address and country. Adding your phone number is advisable for shipping notifications. The price now includes the shipping subtotal. The shipping policy is also easily accessed for more detailed information. And on our site, your transaction is fully encrypted and secure, ensuring you have security against theft or fraud. I highly recommend you open an account and log in, as this makes communication and follow-ups a lot easier. AirPhysio, it works.